how to use the add yours template sticker on Instagram. So let's get started. First thing first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account. After that, simply swipe to the right side in order to access to your story option, or you can simply tap on the your story option available in the top left corner. After that, choose a photo from a camera roll or take a new photo. Then tap on the sticker icon available in the top. From there, tap on the add template option available. Once you tap on the add template, you will get to see the dice option available right below the add yours. Once you tap on the dice, you'll get to see various options of templates. So let's get started with it. Tap on the dice and it will start rolling and give you some options. So here you can see some options available. Choose any according to your preferences and post it on your story. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.